Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making air fryer chickpeas. Exactly what you think that is. You can buy these at the supermarket, but why bother when you can make them yourself? But have I made this recipe before? No. So we're going to find out together if this actually works. It inspired this song. Air fryer chickpeas and other tasty treats. So easy to make, the taste can't be beat. Get a can and dry them and off you will go. Making a delicious snack you will know. Let's do this! 1 can of chickpeas has 385 calories, 14 grams of fiber, and 21 grams of protein. So that is some great math if I have ever heard it for a nutritious snack. First things first, take your can of chickpeas and dry them. I've dried them. They've been laying here for about an hour with some paper towels. They're pretty dry. That's it. I always like to spray a little bit of spray in the air fryer first. You're going to take your chickpeas and dump them in. For good measure, I'll spray a little more on top. In they go, 375 for 18 minutes. In the last 4 minutes, take it out and shake it. And make sure that it's making that sound. And feel free to see if they are crunchy, and they are. So you can either put it back in or just turn it off. Pour them into your dish. Spray with some olive oil spray. And now you can put whatever seasoning that you want on them. So I'm just gonna mix them around a little bit with the olive oil spray. I'm gonna put a little bit of pickle seasoning on them and a little bit of ranch. You could just do salt and pepper and that would be perfectly fine too. Mix it around. Take a look at these air fryer chickpeas. Hear the sound? They are definitely toasted, which is fantastic. So this recipe definitely worked. Let's give them a taste and see if they have that crunch. So here's one. It's definitely solid. These are a delicious, toasty treat to eat by itself as a snack with whatever seasonings you want on it. I plan to eat these by themselves because I don't think they're going to last very long because they're pretty delicious, I have to say, and just crunchy. If I can make these air fryer chickpeas for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, make for your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.